Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to properly deep clean your Dyson Airwrap, including the filter, all the attachments, and the storage case. Regular cleaning helps maintain strong airflow and keep your Airwrap performing at its best. So, let's clean our Airwrap together. First, let's clean the filter. Make sure your Dyson Airwrap is switched off and completely cool before you begin. Twist off the filter cage at the bottom of the handle. Using the cleaning brush or a clean, soft toothbrush, gently brush away any dust and lint from the filter area. Then, wipe the filter area with a dry cloth. Next, gently brush away any dust and lint from the filter cage. Rinse it under warm running water, then use the cleaning brush and a little shampoo to gently clean the mesh. Once the filter cage is completely dry, simply attach it back onto your Airwrap. If you see the blue light right here when you turned on, it means the filter is clean and ready to go. However, when it's flashing white, it's your reminder that it's time to clean the filter again. I recommend cleaning the filter at least once a month. However, if you use your Airwrap every day, you may need to clean it more often. Now, let's clean the attachments. Start by removing any hair caught in the smoothing brushes and the round volumizing brush. Take a soft cloth, dampen it slightly with water, and gently wipe each attachment. For the curling barrels, wipe the outside and the inside opening where styling products can build up. Next, wipe the smoothing brushes, including the bristles and the base of each brush. Then wipe between the bristles of the round volumizing brush. Don't forget to wipe the Coanda smoothing dryer, especially around the air openings where dust can collect. Finally, wipe the white tooth comb, including the teeth and the entire surface. Please don't wash or soak the attachments in water. Simply wiping them with a damp cloth is enough to keep them clean. I always give my attachments a quick wipe after styling. It only takes a minute and helps prevent product buildup. Finally, let's clean the Airwrap, the cable, and the storage case. Using a damp cloth, gently wipe the Airwrap handle to remove any dust and fingerprints. Just be careful not to let any water get into the air openings. Next, wipe the cable to remove any dust or dirt. For the storage case, vacuum out any dust if needed. Then wipe the inside and outside with a slightly damp cloth. Once everything is completely dry, place your Airwrap and all the attachments back in the storage case to keep them clean and dust-free. And that's it! Your Dyson Airwrap is now clean and ready for your next styling session. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more beauty, self-care, and lifestyle content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!